My name is Anne Karau. I'm a cancer registrar working at the Meru County Cancer Registry. I'm privileged to be here. This conference started on 19th, and so far so good. We've done good things, and what has made me very happy in this conference is how everyone, including the Ministry of Health, the partners, have embraced integration of data, health systems into the management of non-communicable diseases, and this will help us get data and make decisions based on evidence. Happy also because East African region have launched a framework that will enable us work at multidisciplinary sector, and we hope to achieve much in 2030. Thank you.